All right, so we're gonna make some grilled sweet potato wedges with a molasses butter. And I'm gonna add some orange to that as well. But first thing I'm gonna do is get the sweet potatoes on the grill. Now what I did was I par-cooked these first. I boiled them for about 15 to 20 minutes till they're soft all the way through, and then you wanna let them cool. Now you can do a couple different things. You can actually cut them into wedges, which is nice. It's a cool shape, and they have a lot of surface area for some charring. Or you can cut them into circles, like that. So I think we'll do a little bit of each. Smaller wedges. Makes it a little more interesting. So we're just going to brush with a little canola oil and salt and pepper, and that's something you hear me say a lot. For vegetables, for meats, I really keep it simple. I don't mix it up when it comes to, you know, how I'm gonna grill things. I bring all the flavor to the party either by using spice rubs or glazers or barbecue sauces, but when I'm grilling something, it's usually canola oil, salt and pepper, because you're always gonna have those things in the pantry. A little salt and pepper. Let's go to the grill. All right, we have a nice hot grill here, and we par-cooked the sweet potatoes, so that all we're really doing is kind of heating them through and charring them on the outside. All right, while those are cooking, we can make our molasses butter very quickly. I'm just gonna take some butter that's completely soft. You see how nice and room temperature that is? A little salt and pepper. Some orange zest. Orange and molasses goes really well together. And I'm making a compound butter. Chefs make compound butters all the time. Just some unsalted butter, and then you can add any kind of flavor you want. It could be an herb butter like basil. It could be a honey butter. I make an orange honey butter for biscuits, but I love the idea of molasses for these sweet potatoes. And just a pinch of cinnamon. And you want to make sure your butter is ready to go when your sweet potatoes come off the grill, because we're gonna actually paint them with the butter while the sweet potatoes are still warm. All right, let's flip our sweet potatoes. Beautiful char on the outside. Remember, they're already cooked through, so we're just getting some color on them and some of that smoky flavor. Perfect. Let's quickly slice up some green onions. This will be the garnish on top of our sweet potatoes. Get them. And I like the idea of having different shapes. Looks nice. All right, so when they're still warm, take your butter and just quickly brush the molasses butter on them. We don't want to drown them in butter, we just want to enhance the flavor of the sweet potatoes with the molasses, the butter, the orange, the cinnamon. It's beautiful. And, you know, don't forget, we're cooking some Southern food here. Sweet potatoes, Southern, molasses, one of sweet potatoes' best friends. Look how beautiful that looks. A little sprinkling of green onions, and there we go. Let's give it a taste. I'm a huge sweet potato fan. Love, love, love sweet potatoes because it has a really nice natural sweetness to them. But then you add a little butter with some of the molasses, it just brings out the natural sweetness of the sweet potato even more so. And this is just, you know, an easy way, and it's quick. It doesn't take any time at all to get that Southern flavor going. Right in your own backyard.